2017 can be argued as the year of the trends, from stretched-out 18:9 displays to dual-camera implementations to facial recognition security, all adopted by many of the flagships released this year. And you know what else they adopted? This crazy idea of ultra-premium pricing around the neighborhood of $1,000. However, there's a new phone that adopts all of these newfound qualities, and then some, but without the $1,000 price tag. Enter the OnePlus 5T, the latest high-end smartphone from the Chinese company. At first glance, it could be perceived as a minuscule update, coming only a few short months after the company's previous flagship, the OnePlus 5. But don't be fooled, because if you look at the larger picture, it might astound you to know how the OnePlus 5T stacks up against the giants in the flagship space. In the box: power adapter, Type-C cable, silicone protective case, OnePlus decals, safety information, user's guide. Design. Being released so soon after the OnePlus 5 before it, it's no surprise that the OnePlus 5T doesn't deviate a whole lot from the design language that we're familiar with already. In fact, you could say that it's an exact facsimile, since it sports the same smooth metal construction and sloping edges. However, in order for it to fit a larger screen within only a marginally bigger footprint, its fingerprint sensor has been repositioned to the back, just a smidgen beneath the camera. The construction of the phone feels solid, suggesting that it doesn't have the fragileness of all these glass meets metal phones. In an era where many flagships implement the latter construction, the all-metal design approach of the OnePlus 5T feels refreshing. And it is just as much of a good looker as most of the other phones it's competing against. Generally speaking, it's a recycled design with a few minor changes to the recipe, but in a sea of metal and glass phones, this all-metal one still commands attention. While the OnePlus 5T adopts many of the trends we spoke of earlier, there are two in particular it's missing. For starters, it lacks any sort of water resistance, which is something that many of today's flagships offer. In addition, sticking to an all-metal design means the 5T doesn't offer wireless charging. Nevertheless, OnePlus remains to be a proponent of the headphone jack, so we're grateful that it still sees and acknowledges its purpose.